Hello guys, what's happening? What's going on? I'm gonna actually put on something that I've already done to my car, but I'm gonna go back in time because I'm shooting this now. I didn't shoot the intro for that video, but where I use this Rust-oleum Peel Coat. Now it's an alternative to Plasti-dip, and it's something new that Rust-oleum makes. I wanted to spray my grille. I want to spray my mirrors gloss black, but I saw this and I bought it. It's about 100 odd rand, 180, 160 rand a can. Folders. That's my one stop normally for things for cars. Funny enough, I buy all my cleaning goods there, all my cloths and sprays and everything I buy by there. So I'm gonna try it out on the car, but first of all, I gotta show you how to remove the grille, and I'm not gonna show you how to remove the mirrors. The mirrors are fairly simple. I'll put a link up here on how to remove the mirrors from Flex. Alexander, very quick, shows you how to remove it. There's the older w204, and they're fairly simple, they're pretty much the same. So I'm going to show you how to remove the grille. So this is actually just my review on Rust-oleum. I say a lot Plasti-dip in the video because I've already shot the video, and I mean that. I don't mean Plasti-dip. That is a peelable, sprayable coat from Rust-oleum, and well, that's just my alternative. I didn't want to buy a can of Plasti-dip, so I figured let me try that because I was going to gloss black the mirrors anyways. Actually, I ended up not gloss blacking the mirrors because this came out so nice. So yeah, please enjoy the video. I'm going to show you how to remove the grille, and then we're going to get to spraying the grille and the mirrors, and I'll show you how to look afterwards. Hey folks, okay, so I'm going to have to remove the grille, right, and it's actually fairly simple. We're going to get this plastic thing off first. This doesn't have to fully come off, but it would help. So this needs to come clipped off. I've already broken this. Get that out the way. Once it's out the way, the tin socket over here. Very simple. Remove the tin socket, lift up this plastic, put the tin back again, because if you lose it between these two grills here, there's two condensers, which is the aircon and the radiator, yeah, you'll be fishing for nuts for a while. So once you're done there, I'm going to take the grill and push it in that way. So over here, see, okay, no, it's fine, it's fine. Remain calm, remain calm. Okay, over there, so, and then there you go. Out to daisies, and yeah, now your grill is out. I can catch on some nonsense with it like I'm gonna. Okay guys, some isopropyl alcohol. Just give it a nice wipe all over. First you want to take out the badge. Badge is pretty simple. It goes in like this. So you just clip it out from the back and pull it out. Okay, so you must be thinking to yourself, why is this guy masking off everything when he can just take the clips off? It's because I don't want to break the clips. Much rather just want to see this thing survive without breaking the clips off. So I'm going to spray this, and I'm going to spray the mirrors, all the mirror covers, so I'll give you a real good review on how this is and if it's worth it. Now I couldn't find black, which is silly, so I got like a graphite metallic. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, so first you want to heat up the bottle. I heat up the bottle a bit, and I mean you have to read the instructions. Every 10 minutes you want to coat it, so just give it a shake. Here's all my goodies. I've laid it down, so I'm going to spray the mirrors and the ground. Apologies for the crappy light, guys. I'm doing this early so that it has enough time to dry. Okay, so what you want to do is put a light coat first. Here we go. I'm turning back now. Test piece. The first coat is on, and not bad at all. It's like more of a like silver, a little bit metallic, you know. I'll let that dry just a tad. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna keep spraying more because I want it to be nice and tacky. I'll go a little bit heavier this time. I'm not going very heavy, but I'm going much heavier than the first try. Look at all that glitter though. Crazy amounts of glitter. I must say, if you're gonna spray a wheel, spray this color. Graphite, super crazy metallic. And I thought you didn't get metallic colors, so this is insane. And the grill was metallic to start off with, but I mean the mirrors weren't. That is just so nice. What? So now for one of the most nerve-wracking parts is peeling off the masking tape. Oh wow. Oh wow, that looks super cool. That looks super cool, guys. Right, I'm just gonna wait for it to fully dry. Okay, so there you go, it's on the car, and as you can see, it's more of like a tinted dark charcoal metallic type of vibe. Mirrors also came out very nice. This kind of looks like, you know, like a dark type of S-line mirror that Audis have. But yeah, if you're considering buying this spray, it's like 100 and odd rand a can, 180 rand a can. I still have left. And I think I went like 5 times coats on there, and they say you need to put a thick coat so that it peels nicely. I sprayed it on something else that was plastic. One coat, one kind of thick coat, and it still peeled off. I noticed the metallic gets everywhere, but other than that, a very cool kind of spray. It's something different to Plasti-dip. Plasti-dip is matte. They have colors, but I mean, all I see is matte colors, matte black, like this. Out of the can, graphite, metallic, charcoal, type of gunmetal. Perfect, perfect. You want to do your wheels? I say you take that color and you look at that color in the middle there. That's the color you'll get on your wheels. I think that's a really cool color for wheels. Red calipers, you sorted. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.